In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to set up sprints in ClickUp. So let's get started. So first of all, go here into clickup.com. And now to enable our sprints option, we need to go here into more on the left menu and go into integrations and type in sprints. And then once you search for that, you should have this one right here. And we have the sprints. Enable it. And then you want to select the spaces that you would want to enable your sprints on. In my case, I would want it to be enabled on all parts of this workspace or spaces. And now once it's enabled, you can now go back. And now from here, you can click here on the plus button here under spaces. And then when you do that, you should now have the sprint folder because we have toggled on sprint. And then when you click on that, you will now have it right here. So you can now name your sprint folder. Let's say that I'm going to go for a sample sprint folder. Next, you want to go into measure of effort. You can go into sprint points and time estimates and also custom field right here, depending on which one you'd want. In my case, I'll just go for sprint points. And then you could choose when this sprint would start. Let's say on Tuesday. And then the sprint duration would be in weeks, so I'll just leave it at 2, and then you'd have more settings in here, so you could go for more settings like the sprint start date format, start time, and so on. Once you are now satisfied, is that you can now just go back and click here on next, and now you can choose your automation. So when sprint ends, you can mark sprint as done, and sprint is done, you can create a new sprint and so on, depending on what you'd want. You could set custom ones later on, but in my case, I'll just be happy with the default one. I'm going to click on create. And now we have our sprint right here. And now once you have your sprint, is that we will now be able to add task into our sprint by clicking here on add task. And then let's say sprint task number 1. And then you can now click here and save. And from here, you can now assign the sprint points, which is right here, which is the effort measurement of how easy or how hard it is to do. So I can go here and let's say I'm going to give it a 5. Or you could also go for 8 right here if you'd want to. And then you could now add the other details in here on your sprint. So remember that the free plan includes 100 uses of sprint points. So that will be limited if you are in the free plan. Now, when you go back, go here into the board, and this is where you'd be able to easily move the statuses of your tasks here in Sprint. So you could just move them between groups, like for example, this one right here. And basically, yeah, you could just move them between groups to easily manage or task or monitor task projects. And now at the end of the sprint, you can archive or roll over and complete tasks manually. So yeah, this is it on how you could use sprints here in ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.